Hi, thinking of gifting Valentine cards to your loved ones this year? This Valentine's Day, make February 14th extra special for the seniors in your life. In this video, we're sharing DIY card ideas to gift this Valentine's Day. Whether it's for your significant other or a close friend, a handmade card can brighten anyone's day. In this video, you'll also discover 5 fun activities seniors enjoy on Valentine's Day. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun ideas for special days. Let's start with our first DIY project, paper hearts. Pause this video to screenshot the details. Firstly, stick on a colored paper on the cover of your card. Decorate the cover with as many hearts as you like. Your card is now ready to be gifted. Check out our second DIY project, From the Heart. Pause and screenshot the details. Cut out a heart-shaped card and fold it in half. Decorate with stickers and write your message. Your card is ready. Not into DIY? Check out our blog for a list of recommended Valentine's cards you can buy online. Now, explore 5 fun Valentine's Day activities for seniors. Enjoy a cozy picnic with fresh air, good food, and great company this Valentine's Day. Share the love through poetry. Read and write together for a meaningful connection. Host a fun trivia night with friends and see who can guess the famous songs. Enjoy a cozy rom-com movie night at home with your favorite films and snacks. Get creative and decorate flower bouquets together. It's a fun and beautiful way to bond. How will you spend Valentine's Day? Comment below. Don't forget to read the blog and share this video with your friends. Happy Valentine's Day from Boomers Hub, your trusted guide to senior living and care.